Oh, hey. So today you actually caught me at like the right time. Let me go ahead and lock this door. So we are going to be starting our zone cleaning, and we're starting right here inside the entryway. So I have a few things we have to get. So come on. What we have to get today, and the two major tools you're going to use, is going to be your broom, and you're also going to need a duster as well. So go ahead, grab those because we're going to do this together. I'm here for you, and let's clean up zone one. All right, so what we're going to do is first we're going to use our broom and we're going to clean all the cobwebs from our entryway, our dining room, and outside as well. So all it's going to take is a few minutes. Let's go. So now we're going to be getting our duster and we're going to be dusting off all the window sills. We're also going to be dusting off the furniture as well. So don't forget to get underneath the table and dust the table itself and also the chairs.
You showed me how to dance love. So tell me what you're thinking You showed me how to dance love. So tell me what you're thinking You showed me how to dance love. So tell me what you're thinking
You show me how to dare to love. So tell me what you're thinking of.
something super easy that people miss when they do a deep cleaning. We want to make sure that we are dusting the baseboards. Now you can use that duster that you have now, and we're going to just run along the baseboards in the entryway and the dining room. So it should maybe take 5 minutes. Let's go.